Hey, did you know that your oil is your primary coolant in that motor? Yeah, most people don't really figure that. They think about their antifreeze and the radiator, but no, actually your oil is your primary coolant in that motor. So when people are showing off somebody else's product and they say, "Hey, the ticking noise went away in my motor," be really freaking careful. If you're increasing the viscosity, which could reduce engine noise, it's also reducing the speed, the rate of speed that oil is going through the bearings. And if you're slowing that oil down, you're overheating could be overheating the bearings, right? My race car guys, people that build race motors, know that the temperature rise between the bearings, like on a rod, the rod bearings, can exceed 400 degrees. And our product, the BestLine Racing, can withstand that. It's designed to be a high temp lubricant. So please do not increase your viscosity. Stay with the viscosity that's recommended by your engine manufacturer, unless you built that motor and you know differently, right? NASCAR uses different viscosities depending on how far they want that motor to, how long they want that motor to last, right? If they only want it to last 200 miles, they're going to go with low viscosity because that reduces the friction in the motor and you get better performance. On the street, you get better mileage. And that's why the EPA has forced us to run with zero weight oils, well, zero winter weight oils. They're usually 0.15s, 0.20s, 0.30s. But anyway, don't increase the viscosity. That's going to kill that motor.